Scratches on your car bumper can be frustrating, but not all of them require a costly trip to the body shop. With the right approach and materials, you can fix paint scratches like a pro, restoring your bumper's smooth, glossy finish. Before repairing a scratch on your car bumper, it's essential to start with a clean surface. Begin by washing the scratched area with soapy water to remove any dirt, dust or debris that could interfere with the repair. For an extra level of cleanliness, wipe the surface with rubbing alcohol. This step ensures that any oils, wax or residue are removed, providing a smooth, contaminant-free surface for the paint or touch-up products to adhere properly. The Bumper Repair Kit is a popular solution for repairing scratches, cracks, and minor dents on plastic car bumpers. The kit includes a two-part epoxy filler and application tools that allow you to fill and smooth damaged areas easily. Once applied, the filler hardens quickly, creating a durable surface that can be sanded, primed, and painted to match your car's finish. This kit is especially useful for restoring the appearance and strength of plastic bumpers without the need for professional bodywork. Use fine grit sandpaper to gently sand the scratched area. Lightly work over the scratch until it blends seamlessly with the surrounding paint, taking care not to remove too much of the original paint around the edges. This careful sanding helps the repair materials, such as primer or touch-up paint, adhere properly and ensures a professional-looking finish once the repair is complete. When a scratch is deep enough to expose the bare plastic of your car bumper, applying an automotive primer is a crucial step. The primer helps the paint adhere properly to the plastic surface and provides a protective layer that prevents future damage. Using a thin, even layer, carefully coat the exposed area and allow it to dry completely according to the manufacturer's instructions. After the primer has dried, the next step is to apply touch-up paint that matches your car's color code. Carefully apply thin, even layers over the scratched area, allowing each layer to dry completely before adding the next. This prevents drips, uneven texture, or color mismatches, and gradually building up the paint ensures a smooth, professional-looking finish that blends seamlessly with the surrounding surface. Once the touch-up paint has fully dried, applying a clear coat is the next step to protect the repaired area and restore its glossy finish. The clear coat acts as a protective layer, shielding the paint from UV rays, moisture, and minor abrasions. This final layer not only enhances the appearance of the repair, but also ensures the durability and longevity of the restored surface. With patience and attention to detail, even minor scratches can be fixed effectively, keeping your car looking its best for years to come.